Besides using our pre-made fund collections for you, you can also apply some of the filters and sort by options on your own and create your own collections. Scroll down and click into create your own. For example, I'm personally quite interested in sorting funds by their returns and their stability ranks. And also I'm interested in funds that invest in equities. And these should be the funds that invest in the US as their main geographical focus. And I choose the asset universe as exchange traded funds. And finally, since I'm living in the UK, I only care about the funds that I can actually buy in the UK. Hence I choose UK as the country available for sale. Apply the filters and there you go. This is the list of funds that match all of these attributes that I pre-selected. That is active ETFs that invest in the US as their main geographic focus. And these are the funds that I can buy in the UK. And at the same time, I want to look at these funds from the top of the return and the stability rank. As you can see here, a lot of these names are quite popular household funds, and I can click into them or add them to the watch list to look at their details. Let's say now I change my mind and I no longer care about their returns and stability, but I really care about the fees. That is, I want to buy funds that charge me as little fees as possible each year. I can directly apply that changes right here through the sort by options. I can now change from the sort by of return and stability to the sort by of fees. Apply the changes and I have a new list. And personally, I'm quite interested in this Invesco S&P 500 ETF. I click into that and I scroll down to the fees section. And I'm very glad to see that this ETF is only charging me 5 basis points. And that is why we rank the fees as one of the top. So these are fund collections and their own filters for you to play around. We have quite a good variety of options for you to sort and filter. So spend some time, play around with these filters and see if you can find interesting funds for you to look into.